Nag-iba lang yung season, pero hindi yung puso. Let me just share you something about Apostle Paul in the Bible. One day, he preaches the gospel, then the other day, he was in prison, yet the passion in serving God was still there. Buo pa rin yung puso, buo pa rin yung tapang na maglingkod sa Diyos, buo pa rin yung desisyon na magpatuloy. Sa dami ng pangit na nangyari sa kanya, pwede na siyang bumitaw. His name was tarnished for God's sake, pero tuloy lang. He was convicted for the crime of telling the world who Christ is, pero never nanakaw yung galak sa puso niya. He faced death multiple times, but the conviction was powerful. And like Paul, maraming bagay yung pwedeng makapagpasugat ng puso natin. Maraming pagkakataon na haharap tayo sa iba, na sugatan tayo dahil may mga wrong accusations. I tell you, there will be times that you will not be the first choice. You will be abandoned by some while pursuing your calling, pero tuloy lang. Pwedeng hindi ka piliin ng marami, pero ang piliin ka ng Diyos ay higit pa sa mga nawala sa buhay mo. Today, declare this with me. My season won't stop me from serving God. My season won't stop me to pursue God's calling in my life. My season won't stop me from going all out for God. Nagbago lang yung sitwasyon, pero hindi yung puso. So help us, God. With love and prayers, Noel.